Good day, grade 10. Let us have lesson 2 of our second quarter, the circle and other related terms. First of all, let us define what is a circle. A circle is a set of points in which all points are equidistant from a fixed point called the center. When we say equidistant, merong pare-parehong sukat or pare-parehong layo mula sa isang point na tinatawag nating center. A circle is named using a capital letter representing its center. Like this. Kung makikita nyo sa figure natin, yung point na nandun sa gitna ng circle ang nagre-represent sa kanyang center. And we will name it as point C. That's why the name of the circle is Circle C. Now let's move on to the different parts of the circle. I know most of you are already familiar with the parts of the circle since this is previously discussed when you were in elementary or in grade 7. But let us move on or go deeper as we study these parts of the circle. First, we have the radius. What is a radius? A radius is a segment drawn from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Take a look at the figure. Meron tayong line or segment from C as the center end to D. Pero pwede pa rin tayong mag-drawing ng ibang line or segment. Halimbawa, nag-drawing ako mula C papunta dito. At ginawa ko siyang E. So that is also a radius. Pwede rin namang nag-drawing ako mula dito, punta dito. So pwede tayong mag-drawing as many radius as we want. Depende kung ilan yung kailangan natin. Meron din naman tayong tinatawag na diameter. What is a diameter? A chord that passes through the center of the circle. So ang diameter ay pwedeng dalawang radius na magkabilang side ang pinupuntahan basta't siya ay straight line. So, ang diameter ng circle ay napakadami din. Pwede tayong mag-drawing mula dito, papunta dito. Imagine this is a straight line. As long as dumadaan siya sa ating center. That is the diameter. Ano naman kapag sinabing chord? A chord is a segment drawn from a point on the circumference to any other point on the circumference. So, dito lang tayo sa circumference ng circle. So, halimbawa, nag-drawing ako dito, papunta dito. This is a chord. Let's say, nag-drawing din ako mula dito, papunta dito. That is also a chord. This is also a chord. Ang diameter ba ay chord? Yes. That is the longest chord. Next, what is a secant? A secant is a line that intersects the circle at exactly 2 points. A secant contains a chord of the circle. Kaya sinabing chord kasi mula dito, yan, hanggang dito, yan ay isang chord. Pero siya ay line dahil meron siyang arrow sa magkabilang dulo, straight line. Tinatawag yung secant. Dalawang beses siyang nagtatouch sa circle. Okay? Kung meron tayong line na dalawang beses nagtatouch, meron din tayong line na isang beses lang nagtatouch. And that is what we call the tangent. A line that intersects the circle at exactly 1 point. Okay, 1 point lang siya. So dito. Ito. At may tinatawag tayong point of tangency, yung point kung kailan nag-intersect ang tangent at yung circle. Next, we have a central angle. Ano naman kapag sinabi nating central angle? Angle siya which is formed by two rays whose vertex is at the center of the circle. Hanggat ang kanyang vertex ay center ng circle, ang tawag sa kanya ay central angle. So if we have an angle here, let's say nagkaroon tayo dito ng ray or ng another segment at ito ay angle, central angle pa rin siya dahil ang vertex niya ay center. What about inscribed angle? That is an angle whose vertex is on the circle and whose sides contains chords of the circle. So dito naman tayo sa circumference magbe-vertex. Halimbawa, dito sa K, nagdrawing tayo ng isa pang chord. Siyempre may nabuo tayong angle. Inscribe angle pa rin ang tawag dyan. Okay, we also have the intercepted arc. And what is an intercepted arc? It is an arc that lies in the interior of an inscribed angle and has endpoints on the angle. So ito yun. Sabi interior, nasa loob siya noong angle. Ayan, ito yung intercepted arc natin. Arc HK or arc KH. We also have the semicircle. The arc measuring 1/2 the circumference of the circle. So kapag may diameter, madali nating mahahanap ang semicircle. So since itong KW ay diameter, ito yung ating semicircle hanggang dito. Kalahati ng circle. Semicircle yan. Itong kabila, that is another semicircle. Minor arc naman natin is an arc of a circle whose measure is less than that of a semicircle. So kung ito ay semicircle, at may point dito, minor arc ang tawag dito sa K. Ayan, papuntang K kasi mas maliit siya kaysa sa semicircle. Tapos, this is another minor arc as long as hindi lumalampas ng kalahati. Kabaligtaran naman niya, major arc naman. So, kung may point dito, syempre minor arc pag dito tayo dumaan sa K, minor arc yan. Pero kung dun tayo dadaan sa kabila, dito, at lalampas tayo ng kalahati at papunta dito, yun yung tinatawag nating major arc. So for your practice exercises, in the figure at the right, identify the following. So meron tayo dyang name of the circle, 4 radii, or that is the plural of the radius, 2 diameters, 5 chords, semicircle, at least 3 minor arcs, at least 3 major arcs, 4 central angles, a tangent, and 2 seconds. Thank you guys, and I hope you learned something. Bye!